If you had your mind set on another thing. I'm not keeping them on my head. I need to do something with this hair, Jesus. Hello everyone, my name is Beth and welcome back to my YouTube channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new here. Who knows, you probably are. So, in today's video, I thought I would do more of a kind of get to know me style video while also doing my makeup as well. Obviously, because I can't look like this Disney style egg for the whole video, can we? No. So, I'm going to be doing some makeup as well. And I mean, I just went downstairs to collect my Asda delivery and I didn't realise I actually had this headband on my head because I just put it on in the morning when I'm washing my face and I forgot I had it on. So the delivery driver was probably looking at me like, what the hell is wrong with her? But if the delivery driver could figure that out, that'd be quite good because I've been trying to figure that out for 22 years now and still haven't. Someone on TikTok literally commented, you should have done your roots when you dyed your hair right. Listen. Do you not think I know that you're supposed to dye your roots? But if I wanted my roots to actually take to the hair dye, I would have had to bleach my hair and I don't want to ruin my hair. I'm doing this just because it just washes out. I'm just like experimenting with colours. I definitely prefer pink and when this washes out I'm going back pink. But I know that my roots are still dark blonde. But thank you. I value your opinion. Okay, so she's got some brows now and I've covered my mate that was on my chin up because that was just stealing the show and taking all the attention off the rest of my face. So, for the people that don't know, my name is Beth. I'm 22 and I'm from York and I've recently just moved to Manchester. I moved to Manchester in February and we just moved here because we were just so bored. Like, you know when you just feel so stuck in life and you just think nothing's gonna change, you just get that feeling every day of like, wow, I can't believe I'm just doing this when there's just so many other things that I would rather be doing. That was the feeling we had every single day and we thought we just needed to change that. But obviously we have chose not the very best time to set out on that new adventure because we are in the middle of a pandemic. So we moved here, we have had about 2 months of normality and then it's just gone, here you are, stay inside, don't leave your apartment, you're in Manchester, your family and friends are in York, but you stay there, don't leave the house, don't do anything. So that's exactly what we've been doing for the past 7.5 weeks. We have been doing what most people will be doing, which is nothing. I've been doing as much makeup as humanly possible to get me through the day because it just kind of takes my mind off things and I love sitting here and doing makeup and this is what I want to do forever because I absolutely love it. But it obviously, it's all just a bit weird at the moment. Like, it's not the being at home that's kind of like been weird, it's just like knowing that you can't do things even if you wanna and it's just not really fun to even leave the house because I just think some people are just so stupid. Like, we went for a walk the other week and we were in the supermarket and people just like don't care. They just like try and like walk through you and into you and just don't really care about your personal space. Like, stay 2 meters away from me, get away. Other than that, we're all good. So I now work at MAC. I'm a makeup artist at MAC. I've only been there since February and obviously I've not been at work for nearly 8 weeks now, so I've not been doing much makeup there, but I am a makeup artist for MAC now, which is crazy. I never thought that would ever happen to me. Like, what? What the hell? It still doesn't feel real and it doesn't feel real at the moment because I'm not there. So it's really weird and it's something that I'm still trying to get my head around that has happened to me. I've gone from working in the hospital, 13-hour shifts, night shifts, to working in a makeup shop in Manchester city centre, walking to work and back and just doing makeup every day. Like, it's insane. I better start on my eye makeup look because I'm just sat here just shut up there. I obviously came here so I can spend more time doing makeup, more time on my social media and doing what I absolutely love. And that seems to have happened, and it's like it happened for a reason, because my Instagram is growing every day, which is crazy. Like, it actually just blows my mind, because I put in so much effort to my Instagram. Like, I sit here for hours doing makeup, like hours. I do a makeup look, take some pictures, make a video, wipe it off, do a makeup look. And obviously people can think, oh, it doesn't take that much effort. No, it does. Like, have you actually tried to sit here and do 7 extreme makeup looks in one day, one after the other? Like, my face gets angry. My skin gets not very happy with me, but you just gotta do what you gotta do, you know, and this is what I want to do. This is what I absolutely love doing. It's like a little escape for me, and I can just come and sit in here and do my makeup, and I absolutely love it. So I'm actually quite happy with this time I've had to just do what I love every single day. So some really exciting things actually started to happen this year when I moved to Manchester. I can't talk about the things that did actually happen yet, but when I can, I won't even be able to talk about them. I just can't even believe happy tears. From where I started with makeup and social media to where I am now and where I am going, I am determined to get there. You'll see. It's just insane, the journey that I've been on and I'm still on and I am going on, because something big has happened this year. And that's all I can say so far. As soon as I can tell you, I can't wait to tell you. Oh my god. Obviously, like as I said, I got a job at MAC, which is absolutely crazy for someone who is self-taught. I taught myself how to do makeup from when I was like 9 years old in my bedroom, stealing my mum's makeup. This is how my makeup used to look. This is what I used to look like. From someone who looked like that. Now, let me show you this picture, because I'm going to apologise before I actually even show you this picture, because I've never seen eyebrows like this before. I can't believe my friends at the time, my mother, anyone actually let me leave the house with eyebrows like this, because this is insane. And when this picture was actually taken, I was actually going to a Miley Cyrus concert, which was one of the best nights still ever of my life, with my good friend Georgia, and it was absolutely brilliant. But looking at these photos, my eyebrows were not okay. It's a photo on screen of my makeup now and my makeup then, just to see the big changes that can happen if you love something, don't stop doing it. Like, people will say like, or they just won't. They'll just let you walk around with the worst makeup in the world. Because that is obviously what people did to me, because I get it, people don't want to offend you, and if you think your makeup looks good, then you do you. I think that's one of the things that I absolutely love about makeup, is there is actually no rules. Just practice and practice, because practice, as you can see, really does make perfect. Like, I'm not saying that my makeup is in any way everyone's cup of tea, because I know that it definitely is not. Like, that's absolutely fine, because I've never been a cup of tea anyway. I'm more like a shot of tequila, really. I'm not a cup of tea. So just be whoever you want to be and do whatever you want to do. And then people that don't believe in you, that's fine. Because then people that don't believe in you now, that aren't liking or commenting or sharing your videos and pictures, I'm sure when you get to where you want to be, when you get to the top, they'll love you then. People act like they are your absolute best friend. when you get to where you want to be. But in reality, you weren't there when I was down at the bottom. You weren't there when he had these eyebrows. I wouldn't have been there if I realised. If you are doing something different to everyone else, it is most likely a good thing. Like, if you were doing something different to all the other people that you know, you are winning. I'm not very good at multitasking. Like, if you're doing something different and everyone thinks that you are crazy, then you're doing the right thing. Because I've had so many people being like, you are insane. Like, me and Connor have had so many ups and downs in life. Like, we decided that we wanted to sell everything and go travelling. But we liked our home comforts too much. So we sold everything, moved into like a shared flat, hated it. Hated it, like, with a passion. Right, Siri, I wasn't talking to you. So we ended up getting a house again. And everyone thought we were absolutely insane. But if we didn't try and do that, then how would we have known what we wanted? We just wanted a house. That we had, we sold everything. We got one again. We're 22. Like, we're gonna do crazy things. Like, we talk about it all the time, like what crazy thing we can do next. Like, we get bored of things and we need to try new things, and the only thing that I've never got bored of is makeup, and I never will. Like, I've been doing this forever. I've always loved it. I always will love it. And it's always been there for me when people haven't. But as I was saying, it's really, really not hard to press like on your friend's picture, to press share on your friend's video. If you can see someone you know doing something different and clearly trying really hard to do it, it's not hard to just show a bit of support. Like, it's alright people messaging me, asking me advice and recommendations on makeup and things like that. Like, that's absolutely fine. I'm absolutely happy to help anyone. Like, I always would be and I always will be. But can people just not really help me in return? Like, hitting like on a makeup photo that I post that you think, wow. You don't understand how much these little things help someone when they're trying to grow. Like, every single follower on my Instagram means so much and helps me so much. Now, a lot of them people are people that don't know me at all. They have no idea about me. They don't know anything about me except that I do makeup and I post photos of makeup, post videos of makeup. That's all they know. But they still follow me, support me and like things that I do. Yet the people that actually do know me in real life, where are you? I see you. Or should I say, I don't see you because you're not there. It's really not hard. And I get it, my makeup isn't everyone's cup of tea. I don't have to shut up for 5 minutes and finish this eye, otherwise I'm gonna be here all day. People are just jealous of the things that they don't have and the things that they can't do. Like, these people probably look at you and think, I wish I could do that. I wish I was trying to do what they're doing. I wish that I could get to where they are and have how many followers they have. Like, I remember when I had like 500 followers on my Instagram, and I used to look at people like with like 1,500 followers and think, wow, like I wish I could be there. I'll never be there. You just gotta keep trying. You just gotta keep going. Because everyone's gotta start somewhere. Not everything you see on Instagram is real. Don't look at people's Instagram pages if you're just starting makeup and you've never really done it before and you're practicing and think that is the best thing in the world. Why does mine not look like that? Even though I've sat and tried to recreate that for hours and it doesn't look like that, because that's what I used to do. And then I found Facetune. And when I first started my Instagram, I used to Facetune the out of things. Like, let me insert this here. Now, that is absolute lies. Back then, I couldn't do that. The makeup is there on this picture, but the colours, the blends and everything is edited on Facetune. And that's what a lot of people will do. Now, I don't edit my makeup anymore, and that's why I put videos on as well, so that you can see that it is real. It is all real now. I do not edit my makeup at all. Sometimes if I have a massive spot on my face or something, I will take that off, blur it out, whatever, but I never edit my actual makeup anymore because it's lies. People can tell that that is not real, that that is edited. I do not know, and how my boyfriend did not tell me, because he used to be like, yeah, that looks so good, because he didn't want to upset me. So I finished my makeup now. Compared to the makeup that I have on my face now, obviously I've come quite a long way from that, but you've got to start somewhere. So if I didn't start with that Dream Matte Mousse and concealer lips, I would not be here where I am now. So if that's all you can start with, use that at the start and eventually you will get somewhere. But anyway, I hope that you took something from this video. If anything, is to just keep doing what you love doing, no matter what other people say. Like I said, if I stopped doing makeup the first time I was told that I couldn't do makeup, I won't be where I am now. And that goes for everything. Like, whatever you want to do, you don't need other people's approval. Like, you do whatever you want to do. It's your life at the end of the day, and the only person that you're going to upset by not doing what you want to do is yourself. You've got to make sure that what you're doing is what you love doing, always. Thanks for watching this video, guys. I hope that you enjoyed. I hope you got to know a little bit more about me. If you did like this video, don't forget to give it a big fat thumbs up and subscribe down below so that you can see when I post another video. And also, if you hit the notification bell, it will notify you when I post a new video. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!